Okay, Stihl 021. Got the old sprocket, ate up, need to be changed. Put it on there. You can see how it's nice and round, smooth turn. No issues except for the teeth are ate up. Put the new part on there. You see how it's uneven. You turn it, how it wobbles. The hole's not centered in this thing on the drum, so it's not working. It's not going to work properly, so gotta send it back. Need a new one.
The original Stihl sprocket has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So seven teeth, 6 teeth. This chain does not fit around it. It's the wrong size for an MS250 and any saw that fits an MS250 chain. Old, bad, new, good, but wrong size.